Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have huge news about X Empire coin. Its price is surging, and Binance listing rumors are spreading fast. Could this be the next 100x crypto? Let's break it all down in today's update. X Empire coin has already gained 3-4x in value, and momentum is still strong. Just a few days ago, the price was in the 40 range, and now it's breaking key resistance levels. If we zoom into the charts, X Empire is forming strong bullish candles, and a breakout above 0.00003017 could remove another zero. That means massive potential gains if this trend continues. One of the biggest catalysts for X Empire coin is the Binance listing rumor. If this gets confirmed, expect explosive growth. Based on past listings, projects like Hamster Combat saw huge price spikes, and X Empire could follow a similar trajectory. If Binance officially announces it, we could see 50x to 100x gains, pushing the price toward $0.02 or even higher in the long term. With the upcoming bull market in 2025, tap-to-earn gaming tokens like X Empire are gaining massive adoption. If demand continues, X Empire could become a top 3 coin in this category. Right now, its market cap is still relatively small at $690 million, meaning there's a lot of room for growth. Lower supply plus high demand equals price explosion. If you already bought X Empire, consider holding for the long term. Selling too early means missing out on potential massive profits. If you're looking to buy, watch for a dip around the 0.000010-0.000011 range for a strong reentry. X Empire coin is at a crucial moment, and the Binance listing could be a game changer. What's your price prediction? Let us know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe for more updates, and stay tuned for the latest crypto news.